Hi guys, now today I'll be doing a video on how to do the checkerboard carving pattern for pencils. So what you'll need is a hexagonal pencil with 6 sides and preferably an eraser on the end. I like to use dark colors because it contrasts with the lighter wood color. And you will also need a pocket knife or anything that could carve the pattern. Now, I personally got these from the dollar store for $2 for a pack of 12. So first thing you want to do is carve a line right about here. Right there. About half a centimeter or so from the top. And you want to continue that line onto this side. Right here. And do that all the way around. Okay, so now you want to carve out this side from the line to the eraser, or the end if you do not have an eraser. Okay, so now you want to skip one and then go to the next one after that. Then you want to, again, carve from the line to the top or your eraser. Okay, now again skip one, go to the next one. Okay, now go about the same length as the first one and carve another line. Like that. And you want to carve out from the line to the other line below a section that's not cut out, like that. Okay, now you want to go under over to here, under another not carved out piece, and you want to carve that out. And again turn 2 over and carve this out like that. Okay, now again go down half a centimeter about and carve a line and repeat the last process. Below a uncarved place, carve out from the line you just made to the line on top and go 2 over and repeat the process. Okay, now basically you want to repeat that pattern a few times until you reach the end here. And once you're done, it should look like this. It's pretty cool. Now, of course, you could show this off to your friends. And that's all for this video. If you would like to see more pencil carving designs, you could like, comment, and subscribe so I know that you like this. And you could also vote in the poll here for what you would like to see more of. Now that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye!